We've really latched on to a discovery. In fact, a discovery in what we think is a new mining district in Ghana, in fact, in West Africa. We got 12 metres at 8 grams, 11 metres at 6, 6 at 4.3, right up to 1 metre at 20 grams. So just really happy. And this is what I need to emphasise here. This is a completely new district, and there's been no work done in this area before Castle went there. And it went there because it thought, oh, this is happening with all the rocks and all the structures. Really ought to look there. When we got there were no old workings, no sort of illegal artisanal miners there at all. Completely blank area covered in soil. So this is quite an amazing development. First of all, they're shallow. And second, I've worked in that jurisdiction for like 15, 16 years. So I've done it before with Zuma Resources. I built up 2.5 million ounces, doing exactly the same, jagging these small shows, and then as you drill them, they get bigger and bigger and bigger. So it compares a lot to all the discoveries that have been made by West African Resources, Tieto, Perseus, Predictive. They all start off looking like this, and they all get bigger, and inevitably they go down to great depth. But the important thing to know here is that Kpali, where we just drilled 8 holes, is just one of several prospects we've got in this district. So we're going to test all of those. And the idea is to build up an accumulation of ounces in that area. I mean, West Africa is probably one of the best places to look for gold in the world right now. It has delivered more deposits that are over 2 million ounces in the last 10 years than anywhere else in the world. It's where some of the biggest deposits, some of the biggest mines are. And we're in Ghana. Now, you hear a lot about what's going on in West Africa, Mali, Burkina, but Ghana is very stable, it's safe, it's got a 100 years history of mining, and the government is very supportive of the industry. So it's an ideal place to go. It's one of the top jurisdictions to go and explore. And Africa generally is now number 5 in the world producing gold, and Ghana is number 1 in Africa. It's now surpassed South Africa. Sure, I love to talk to people. Go to our website, www.castleminerals.com. My phone number's on the website. Ring me up, email me. Love to talk.